So it's so simple and easy to fix this Rainbow Six Siege error code. Make sure to follow my steps. Go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. When you get here, just look for the Steam launcher in the search bar. When you do find it right here, make sure to select it, right click and then hit in task to ensure that it is not running anymore in the background. Do the same thing for the Ubisoft or Uplay thing. Once done, you can deselect this. After that, make sure to keep the CPU and the memory usages below 100% to avoid any type of error happening. Now close that, wait for a couple of minutes. Now for the second step, go to the search and type in Device Manager, select that. Once you get here, just look for the display adapters thing. After that you can open it and select your graphics card like this, right click and hit update driver. After that select search automatically for drivers and click on close. For the next step, reopen the Steam launcher once again. Now all you have to do is to go to the library and select the collection options. In the left menu, search for Rainbow Six Siege. When you do find it, you should hit this gear icon. After that select properties. Now this window will pop up, so go to the installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted or missing files that are responsible for the error code be happening will automatically be fixed. Now you can close everything and just go to the Windows icon right here, select settings. After that select Windows Update. Now all you have to do is to select download and install all available Windows updates. Wait for them to finish. Now close that and make sure to restart your computer and try relaunching the game and see if the error is gone. If you do find it helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.